Welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. We got the kayaks with us. We're headed to Blue Marsh. Okay, we're launching the kayaks.
You okay, Betsy?
Just
Stay with the top right there. You watching him
yeah,
right here?
further, you can put yours right in the water. Okay, and now it's our turn, Callan. Gotta get my life jacket on.
Here, Callan. I'm on the driveway there. Stay with top, Callan.
Yeah, that's good. Right there. Okay. Okay. Hey, buddy. Yeah, look at that big man. Put your feet right there. Okay.
You ready?
Now here we go.
Head push.
Yeah.
There you go.
Look, there's Nana. Let's see if Baba's getting in the water. Yeah, that's for a little later when you're thirsty. Let's see. Here comes Baba. You gotta tell her about the juice box.
What do you put on the kayak?
There's a juice box on the kayak. We'll get closer and you can tell her. Marie is trying our new Pelican Quest kayak. How do you like that kayak so far, Marie? A Pelican Quest 100X Angler
You put on
You got
kayak.
juice box ready.
on the kayak. So the Pelican is taking its premier float here. Its maiden voyage. Now Miss Betsy was a biologist, but she's turning into a marine biologist now that she's on the water so much in her kayak.
Showing the rowing. Wow.
Here you go. Good job, Callan. You and I are doing good. Huh?
Boat out. The
Yeah.
boat out.
Yeah, they're getting their boat out, huh? Yeah, we're rocking the boat.
That's silly.
Yeah, it is silly.
What?
Look at the big blue heron. Once he flies, Callan will see him.
There's a heron up here, Scott.
Yeah, I see him. Look, Callan, out here. The big bird standing there. He's fishing. And a turtle. Turtle just went in the water. There's that big bird. Look, there he is.
Turtle.
He was on the log,
What's in boat?
rocking the boat. Show her how you rock the boat, Callan.
Oh no. Oh.
What? Yoy, Nanny, what yoy?
There she goes. She's rocking the boat.
There I go.
Rock your boat, Marie. Or Baba.
That boat. Maddie and I are rocking our boat.
It's calm water. There's not any current here. Just what the wind blows. It's a good place to practice. Try out new kayaks. Take the grandson. Callan, you having fun? Yeah. Got your shark hat on, huh? Their kayaks are blue. You see, they have blue kayaks.
You're walking boat.
We are rocking the boat. Look at that buoy out there.
Booyah.
Should we go check it out?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go to the buoy.
Oh dear.
Yeah. Lost the hat.
That's up.
I'm gonna get it before it sinks. Got it. Okay. Got that dry off a little bit, okay?
I up a little bit.
Yeah, we'll put it right there. That was a big gust of wind, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They get wind.
That was a big gust of wind. Now we'll go out to the buoy.
Kitchen pole doing.
Yep, the fishing pole goes in there.
Then footed it. Then water.
We're getting closer. It says shoal, so that means it's real shallow under there.
Then water it.
See how deep it is. Yeah, it's pretty deep. Fishing Boat Commission. Shoal. See, it says PA Fishing Boat Shoal. Huh.
Buoy.
At the buoy. Yeah.
I'm coming.
Yeah, the wind's behind us now.
Behind us.
Yeah. It's at our,
Behind us.
yeah, it's behind us. It's at our back. Now we'll go
Back.
towards Baba and Nanny. Okay,
I can't open it though.
that's okay. When we go back in, I'll try to figure out whose it is. Yes. She has it in the pink hat. Yep. I said we'll figure out whose it is when we get on land, but there you go. See, if you had a juice box, it would have stayed in there.
Yeah, right? Thank you so much.
Yep.
Then come too far.
Yeah.
I don't know. Another one.
Yeah, there's 3 of them. Yeah, the little green 8-footer. That's the kind you'll get when you're a little bigger. Or 6-footer, I think. How you like that little 6-footer? Pretty good?
How far do you guys usually go in the kayaks?
So this one, it's no wake, probably 3 or 4 miles.
Yeah.
So you can go either way. Since the wind's blowing this way, I would suggest going up.
Going up, that's what we were doing.
That way it's easier coming back, you know. And it's the grandparents that are out here with them.
Yeah.
That's
So-
the 3 of us.
We're all the grandparents of him. So. Yeah, or just stick it in there until help Betsy and then we can get them.
Run away.
Yeah, it was getting away.
It's not that deep there. I can grab it.
Let me get around the corner. Watch your fingers.
Got it.
Okay, good boy.
You're helping.
Good boy getting that one. Okay, now you can let it go.
Now we can get your juice box ready. That's good. You didn't need to drink it right away. Here. You all right?
Yep. you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free. It helps me out a lot. Also, ring that bell. You'll be notified every time I put up a new video. And give the video a thumbs up. That helps too. But more important than all that, go have some fun out there. Thanks for watching.